In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add your Facebook page to your Wix website. By doing this, you'll have a functional Facebook widget on your website, which lets your visitors interact with your Facebook content directly from your site. It's a super simple way to keep your audience engaged and showcase your social media presence. To get started, we're going to launch your website via the Wix editor. This is your website's command center where you can customize and tweak things to your liking. Once you have your website opened in the Wix editor, you should see a set of tools in a menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Among the options in this menu, you will find a button labeled Plus Add. Go ahead and click this target button, which is your gateway to adding all sorts of features to your Wix website. Now, with the Plus Add button clicked, a new drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you're going to navigate to the option that's labeled Social, and then select Facebook from the subsequent menu. Having chosen Facebook, it will present you with two primary options. Option 1 is the Like box, which comes in two versions, Newsfeed and Mini. The Like box is a little widget that displays a few of your latest Facebook posts. Option 2 is the Facebook Page option, which opens your whole Facebook page within your Wix website. Depending on what you want, go ahead and choose either of these options by dragging the selected element to your desired location on your web page. Once positioned, click the chosen element. This will bring up either settings for the Like box or Add Page Name for the Facebook Page option. If you're connecting a whole Facebook page, select Add Page Name and type in the name or ID of your page. If you're adding a Like box, head into Settings and find your way to connect your Facebook page there. Remember, it is crucial that you input the correct name or ID to ensure the right data is linked to your website. Now that your Facebook page or Like box has been added and connected to your site, it's time to customize the layout and external appearance of this element. Click the element again and look for the customization icons that have now appeared once more. From here, you can change aspects like the size, layout, and color of your Facebook widget to suit your website's design. In conclusion, that's all you need to know about adding a Facebook page to your Wix website. Embrace this feature and use it to your advantage in making your website more engaging and interactive for your audience. Happy editing!